Hi everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable Windows 11 Hidden Camera Privacy Indicator. These days most modern Windows laptops come equipped with built-in webcams that include dedicated LED indicators that let you know that the camera is powered on and watching you. However, you may also have such laptops that have no such LEDs. To improve privacy, Microsoft includes a system-wide notification that lets you know when the camera is powered on or off. However, if the LED in your laptop no longer works or does not feature LED and you want an extra warning, you need to enable the Hidden Camera Privacy Indicator on your Windows 11 machine. How to enable camera privacy notifications in Windows 11? To turn on camera privacy notifications in Windows 11, first open Registry Editor. When the Registry Editor opens, copy and paste the following path into the address bar, and press the Enter key on the keyboard. HKUI_local_machine /software/Microsoft/OEM/device/capture. On the right sidebar, double-click on the No Physical Camera LED Reg_D word and set its value data to 1. Next, click the OK button. Finally, reboot your PC to apply the changes. If you want to disable Windows 11's camera privacy notification, just change the value data of No Physical Camera LED Reg_D word to 0. That's it. Please note, you can copy the registry path from this video description. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.